Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 26th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:42 AM. So traders, now coming on to our today's trade, we have taken a trade in Bajaj Finance. You can see here. Today traders, we have got a good risk reward ratio, that is 2.1. You can see. So traders, here is our stop loss and this is our target for the sell side. Traders, I have sold 2 quantities by maintaining my risk which I can bear in a one day. Okay traders, so now let me explain you the trading setup for this trade. So let me first open the one day time frame. Okay, so traders, this candle which you can see here, this is a complete bearish candle. You can see it is of 25th of November, that was of yesterday. And what does this candle shows us? So this candle is telling us that Bajaj Finance is now in bearish mode and there are some chances that it can also fall tomorrow, that is today. Okay traders, so what we did here is traders, we marked the low of yesterday's candle by this candle, you can see here. Okay traders, so this was acting as a support price. Now coming on to 3-minute time frame. Okay traders, so here you can see when the price gave the breakdown of this support which we drawn by horizontal line. Okay traders, we got active and we placed the limit order at this price for the retracement, and there the retracement came, you can see, and at that retracement we entered into the trade. You can see with we have 2 quantities we have sold. Now coming on to our target and stop loss. Okay, so first let us talk about stop loss. So traders, we have marked a stop loss some points above the high of today's candle. You can see we have placed a stop loss above the today's high. Now coming on to our target, traders, as there was a good bearish sign of yesterday's candle, we are trying to capture a big move. So what we did, that we placed our target on the second support, that is S2, by using pivot points. So here we have placed the target at S2. So this is our today's trade traders in equity. But as you all know that today is also Thursday, so what we will be doing is we will practice option selling strategy. So till then this trade is going on, let me explain you the bank nifty option selling strategy. Okay traders, so this is the chart of bank nifty on the 15-minute time frame. Okay traders, so what here we did is traders, I have marked this resistance. You can see this is a swing high, so this will act as a resistance. Now coming on to here, you can see traders, this is a swing low, you can see, so this will act as a support price for bank nifty. Okay traders, so what we are thinking here, that the bank nifty should close today between this support and resistance, and if it is going to happen, we will be booking a profit today. Okay traders, so this is simple trading setup. So what here we will do in bank nifty options, that we will sell a call of 29,800 strike price, and also we will be selling put of 28,700, which will be acting as a support for bank nifty today. Okay traders, so let me open my account in Zemco to see the points at which these options are trading currently. Okay traders, So here it is. You can see 29,800 call is currently trading with 13 rupees and 28,700 put is trading with 47 somewhere. Okay traders, so what we will do, we will, since we are doing paper trade, we will take our entry in Excel sheets. Okay traders, so let's place our order in our Excel sheet. So our today's first option is 29,800 call. So 29,800 call we will sell. Okay traders, with quantity 25, that is one lot, and we will sell at market price, that is 13 rupees. So 13 rupees, and our target will be 1 rupee by taking our stop loss of 30 rupees. Okay traders, now let's mark our trading entry to 9:48. So 9:48 AM we have taken our trade in 29,800 call. Now we will sell second option, that is 28,700 put. So 28,700 put we will sell one lot, that is 25 quantity, and we will sell at market price. So it is at 62, 63. We will mark it as 62 only. So 62 with a target of 1 rupee. Now what here is our stop loss? Let me open the chart. Okay, let me see it. Okay, 60. Okay, done. So traders, here our stop loss will be going to 80. Now time at which we are taking is 9:49. So 9:49 AM. So traders, now question might be coming to your mind is why we are writing the time here in our Excel sheet. So we are placing our time in this Excel sheet is so that we should know if our stop loss was got triggered after this time or not. Okay traders, so this is what Bank Nifty is doing today. It is trying to come downside, but okay, there is no problem. We have taken our entry for option selling with a strict stop loss. And now let us see our trade in Bajaj Finance. So traders, this trade is also going on. Okay traders, so these are traders 2 trades which we have taken today, and now I am going to pause the video and I will update you when a stop loss or target of any of the trade is got triggered. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, this is our trade of Bajaj Finance in equity segment. You can see the first price went down. Now it is trying to reverse. So what we have to do is we will trail our stop loss to this swing high. Okay traders, here. So we are trailing our stop loss to the swing high. Okay, let's modify it. Okay traders, so now we have trailed our stop loss, and if it is going to reverse, we will not be booking a large amount of loss. Okay traders, so this was a quick update of our trade in Bajaj Finance. I will update you after some time. So traders, now it's 3:04 PM, you can see here, and in our Bajaj Finance trade our stop loss was got hit. You can see here traders, we trailed our stop loss at the correct position. You can see if we were not trailing our stop loss, we were giving our giving more loss. So why we are needed to give more loss? So this is the thing which works here, and you can see here, traders, how this bank finance price got reversed from here. So here we learned that trailing stop loss is a good thing, but it should be placed at a good position that is near other swing highs or swing lows. Okay traders, to prevent our trade from any kind of reversal or to book a huge loss. So traders, we have booked loss in Bajaj Finance. Our quantities were 2, so no problem. So our trade stop loss points were 18.50, so 18.50, and the quantities were 2. So simple, we have booked a loss of rupees 37 in equity segment, and that's alright. Now coming on to our traders, our trade in bank nifty. Okay, so here you can see traders, the support and resistance which we made today performed very well. You can see now price is only between our desired range. So now let us come on to the options. This is my account in Semco, it's opening. Okay, so here you can see traders, both of the options, 29,800 call and 28,700 put, both has been now trading with 0.55 and 0.25 paise, and our target has been hit. And traders, our stop loss was not triggered in any of these options. So now let's calculate our profit in option selling. So traders, you know that we sell with 13 and 62 price, and our target was 1 in both of the options. So we have made profit of 300 rupees in call and 1525 in put. So the total profit which we made in options selling is 1825, which is more. And you can see traders, our risk reward in option selling is here 1:2, and if we were booking today loss traders, our risk was of only 1000 rupees. So here you can see in option selling also we are getting a good risk reward ratio, and we have made a profit of 1825. So traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something, that even bank nifty fall this much, again it came upside. We got nothing to do with this, all these kind of things. Our focus was making profit, and we made profit. Either market is going upside or downside. So you can see this was a good trade traders. Hope you learned something from this video. And traders, if you are having any doubt in these option selling strategy also, please ask me in comment section. I will explain you these strategies in detail. So please ask me in comment section, and please give me some reviews that how you are liking my videos or not. So this was our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.